Hi guys, how are you? Today I'll show you how to make an elegant loose row braided bun. So begin by making central parting, and then you want to select a small section of hair from one side of the parting, divide it into two and twist each strand one way and then twist them around each other opposite way. So then we want to add hair from the ground to one of the strands and then twist them the same, both of them one way and then twist them around each other opposite way. And then again you want to add hair from the top section to one of the strands, twist them and then twist them around each other opposite way. So we want to continue this step over and over again until reaching the back of our head. Make sure to pull the braids, so this will make our braid fuller and voluminous looking. Pin it in place for later. Now we want to repeat this braid on the other side as well, like so. When our braids are ready, we want to tie them both together in the back using a ribbon band. Now you want to grab the rest of our hair, incorporating our ponytail as well using a ribbon band. Make a ponytail and then make an opening through the ponytail. Bring the hair through it. Then you want to twist a little bit just your ponytail. Smooth it out with a comb. You want to tie the ends and tuck it into the first ponytail like I'm showing, pinning it in place. Crisscross bobby pins underneath. Then you want to use some grips if you need. Use some hairspray as well, and you're done. Tell me please in comments down below what you think about this hairstyle. Also guys, if you're new, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification button to be notified 3 times a week when I post a new hair tutorial. Love you guys so much. See you soon in my next video. Bye.